Molly lived in a cheerful little house at the edge of Willow Wood. She loved painting, building, and playing with her toys, and every corner of her room was bursting with colorful treasures. Each evening, when the sky turned soft and sleepy, her mom would say, "Time to tidy up, Molly." One night, as Molly gathered her picture books and blocks, she noticed a small, mysterious drawer in her bedside table she'd never seen before. Molly gently pulled the drawer open. Inside was a note: "All things find their magic when they're put in their special place." Curious, Molly decided to tidy her room a special way. She made a cozy pile for her teddy bears, lined up her paints by color, and stacked her books by size. Molly's toys seemed to smile at her, the books whispered thank you, and everything looked just right. Just then, the room glowed with warm light. Molly felt peaceful and proud. "It's like my room is giving me a hug," she thought happily. As Molly climbed into bed, her neat drawers and shelves made the room feel peaceful and safe. Her mom kissed her goodnight and said, "You've made tomorrow easier and today so much happier, Molly." Molly closed her eyes, snuggled under her blanket, and drifted off, knowing that tidying up didn't just clean her room, it helped her mind feel calm and made bedtime happier too.